Today we're going to improve the interior of our Smoke Show Mustang by installing this Ford GT350 steering wheel. For 2018, Ford changed the airbag in the Mustang, so the previous 15 through 17 steering wheel options will not work on your 18. This steering wheel here is the factory steering wheel found on the 2018 through 2019 GT350, so it'll be a direct replacement for the factory wheel on any 2018 through 2019 Mustang. Over the factory wheel, there's a leather bottom with more of a flat kind of performance setup, and an Alcantara suede and a black centering stripe. Now, since you are removing the airbag from the car, to begin the installation, the first thing you want to do is pop the hood, disconnect the battery. Now we're going to remove the airbag. There's two access holes on either side. The hole is right here. Now, I've had best luck with a 4mm Allen key, but a small screwdriver, anything that'll fit in there is going to work. What you want to do is take the tool, put it in and kind of push it towards the back, and then slide it in. And when it stops, give it a little push. It should give away. That's actually the spring right there. So basically push the spring and then pop the airbag off. Okay, to remove these plugs, you're going to pop these orange tabs up. Plug. Now to remove the steering wheel, you remove the center bolt. Reach up, unplug this main harness, and remove it. So since this is the wheel off the Shelby, there's a few things we have to change in order to put it onto our Mustang GT. First of all, as you can see, the controls are all kind of backwards and missing. They're different controls for different things. Our volume controls on this side on the GT, it's over here on the Shelby. I mean, you could bolt this on, but half your controls are not going to work. Your Shelby also has all the controls for suspension, which are not going to be on your standard Mustang. Now, as far as this trim goes, if you notice, the trim is a little dark smoked chrome on the GT350. You could keep that if you wanted to, but the controls themselves, you have to switch over. Removing everything is pretty straightforward, just a bunch of screws to remove. We're actually going to stick with that smoked chrome look, so I think it'll look good with our car. We're just going to swap over the controls. There's basically just press fitting at this point. Plug. And then same thing with the stock wheel. I'm going to remove all the controls. Since we want to keep the darker trim, now we have to take the controls out of the trim. Simply flip them over. There's 3 screws on the back. Okay, now we can install it over here. The plugs are color coded, so you'll know you have the right one. And reinstall the screws. And the same thing with the other controls. Okay, our controls are all switched over. Like I said, we stuck with the smoked chrome look. We're ready to put the steering wheel back in the car. All right, put the wheel back in place. We're gonna fish these wires through for the airbag. Make sure this stays in the center there. Just line up 2 studs and press it on and your installation is finished. The GT350 wheel really is a perfect choice for our Smoke Show Mustang. The colors actually match perfect, and the Alcantara we actually have on our door panels in this car, so it literally looks like it's a factory part. And since it is a factory wheel, fit and finish is perfect. As far as the installation, a 4mm Allen key, 24mm socket, and a T20 Torx bit is really all you're gonna need. Figure about an hour, be back on the road in no time. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos, and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.